Hello viewers, this is Aravinder Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see the world's largest iceberg, 3 times the size of New Delhi, breaks from Antarctica's ice shelf. For more information, we shall move to inside the video. It is very small video only. I kindly request to all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. Calving of icebergs from the Antarctica's ice shelf has been a cause of concern for scientists across the world who blame it on global warming and climate change. With climate change triggering unmitigated changes in weather patterns and heating up Earth's atmosphere, one of the biggest threats to the southernmost tip of the planet, which is continuously witnessing the degradation of the critically needed ice shelf. Now, an enormous iceberg has called from the western side of the Roni ice shelf and is afloat in Antarctica's Weddell Sea, the European Space Agency said. Dubbed as the largest iceberg in the world, A76 measures around 4,320 square kilometers in size, 3 times the size of New Delhi, which is 1,484 square kilometers. The iceberg was spotted by the Copernicus Sentinel-1 mission of the agency and has successfully taken over the ranks of the A23A iceberg, approximately 3,880 square kilometers in size, also afloat in Weddell Sea. The A76 is 170 km in length and 25 km wide. The iceberg was spotted by the British Antarctic Survey and confirmed by the US National Ice Center using Copernicus Sentinel-1 imaginary, ESA said in a statement. The Roni ice shelf on the Antarctica Peninsula is one of the largest of the several enormous floating shields of ice that connect to the continent's landmass and extend out into the seas surrounding it. A76 is not the first to break off from the ice shelf. Earlier in February of this year, a giant iceberg approximately 1.5 times of the size of Greater Paris broke off from the northern section of the continent's Brunt ice shelf. Glaciologists have been closely monitoring the many cracks and chorms that have formed in the 150 m thick Brunt ice shelf over the past years. The unstable crack in the ice shelf had been moving at 5 meters per day before the massive section fell off it. Similarly, in July 2017, one of the largest icebergs on record called from the Larsen Sea ice shelf in Antarctica. While the section remained intact with the shelf despite being called off, it was only in September 2018 the strong winds pushed the southern end of the iceberg out into the Weddell. The continuous calving of the ice shelf has been a cause of concern for scientists across the world who have attributed it to global warming and climate change. Researchers in UK have said that over one-third of the ice shelves surrounding Antarctica would be at risk of collapsing and releasing massive amounts of water into the sea if global temperature reaches 4 degrees Celsius. Published in the journal Geophysical Research Letters, the findings indicated that 34% of the area on the ice shelf could be at risk if temperatures rise by another 4 degrees Celsius of all the Antarctica ice shelves. Hello viewers, I think you learned the world's largest iceberg 3 times the size of New Delhi breaks from Antarctica's ice shelf. If you are really liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I request you to kindly subscribe this Aravindar Anne Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full. Thank you very much once again.